Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nisab-us-Sarf Lesson 10. Fi'l nafi jahad balam. What does this mean? The fi'l, the verb which due to having lam before it, lam and mim, it denotes the negation of an action in the past tense. For example, yadribu means he hit. And if you put lam before it, lam yadrib, it will mean he did not hit. So negative past. It makes it negative past. It makes it
negative past.
Yeah. So additional points. The majhul form like was yudrabu. It will be made in the same way. Yudrabu, he was hit. So you make it lam yudrab. Lam
Yudrab.
That will mean he was not hit. Okay, it's made in the same way by putting lam at the beginning. And next thing we need to know is that lam, when we put lam in front of a fi'l mudari', remember we put these in front of fi'l mudari', not in front of fi'l madhi, not the past tense verbs, in the present and future tense verbs. We put lam before them. So what does lam do to them? It has two effects when you put lam in front of the fi'l mudari'. It has two effects. Number one, look, a lafzi effect. Lafzi means in the word. Lafz is a word, isn't it? It has an effect on the word. Number two, it has a ma'nawi effect on the ma'na, on the meaning. So it has two kind of effects. Number one, the lafzi amal. What effect does lam have when we put it on fi'l mudari'? The first thing it does is, the final letter on fi'l mudari' has a pesh. It is marfu, isn't it?
Yeah.
It makes it into majzoom. It makes it into jazam. So look, it was yadribu. And when you added lam, it became lam yadrib. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The final letter has jazam. That's what it does. Next, if these 5 forms have a harf illat, it is also dropped. Meaning if there is a harf illat as well, it will be dropped. Like this verb here, it mentions yad'u, it becomes lam yad'u. Look, yad'u. And if you added lam at the beginning, what did it become?
Yad'u.
No.
Lam yad'u.
Lam yad'u. Well done, that's it. Next. And that's in the 5 forms, okay? The ones which are ending in a huruf illat. And the next point mentions in 7 forms which end in a noon i'rabi. 7 of these forms which end in a noon i'rabi. What is a noon i'rabi? When it has a noon with a zabar zair pesh, yeah? Like a noon which has a i'rab on it. The noon i'rabi also drops. You'll realize when you learn the siga, okay, all the 14, when you go through them with lam at the beginning, then you'll see. So those which have like, look there, yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna, so that will become lam yadrib. This will become lam yadriba, lam yadribu. The noons will drop. So on all these here, that will become lam tadriba, that will become lam tadribu, that will become lam tadribi, lam tadriba. Do you understand? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, all these 7, okay? No, not number 6 and number 12. We will tell you about them. They're different. Okay. So we turn over. In the 2 forms, here, look. In the 2 forms, number 6 and number 12. Yadribna, what was here? Yadribna and tadribna, yeah? Yadribna and
Tadribna.
Yeah, what happens on them? There is no lafzi change. What happens?
No lafzi change.
Yeah, they stay the same. So, yadribna, if you added lam at the beginning, lam yadribna. What happens to tadribna? Number 12, same. Lam tadribna. Do you understand? Yeah? So note, just like lam, there are other haruf which are jawazim. which if them letters come before a fi'l mudari, they will also have the same effect. Which ones? Lam,
Lam.
lamma,
Lamma.
lam of amr, lam of,
Amr.
that means the lam of a command, and the la of nahi, la of nahi, prohibition, yeah. And the fifth thing is in shartiyah, an in which comes for condition, like if. These five, all five, if they come before a fi'l mudari, they will have the same lafzi amal, the same effect on the word. What effect is that? On them five forms which end in rafa, they will make them into jazm. Them same five forms when they have a harf illat. When five forms have harf illat at the end, what will it do to that? The harf illat will
Just
drop. On the seven forms which have a noon i'rabi, what will happen to the seven forms of noon i'rabi? The noon will
drop.
And the two forms, number 6 and number 12, which will stay the same. 6 and 12 will
Stay the same.
So these five will have the same effect. Which ones? Lam, lamma, lam of amr, la nahi, the law of nahi, and in of shart, in shartiyah. These five will have the same effect, okay? Due to this effect, because they give jazm to them five forms, what they called harufe jawazim. Harufe
Jawazim.
Yeah. Number 2, the second thing, it has a ma'nawi amal. What does lam do to the meaning? Just particularly lam, we're going to concentrate. Lam makes the meaning into negative past. A fi'l mudari has a meaning of present and future, which is positive. But lam, when you add it on, it makes it into mazi manfi. What does it make it into?
Mazi manfi.
Yeah, negative past. So for example, yadribu, he hits or he will hit. Lam yadrib makes it, he did not hit. You understand?
Yeah.
So this, in its normal form, fi'l mudari, it was positive and it was present and future. But when it turned into mazi manfi with the lam at the beginning, what did it become?
Mazi
Negative past. That's what happens.